The Krib Bling 17.7 pounds washer is a full automatic washing machine designed with a multifunctional control panel that offers 10 wash programs and 8 water level settings, making it highly convenient for varied laundry needs. Equipped with a large capacity inner tub, this portable washer can handle up to 15.6 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for a family of 3 to 4 members. Its compact and portable design means it fits well in limited spaces, such as those found in recreational vehicles, dormitories, and apartments, without compromising on washing efficiency. The washing machine features an automatic imbalance adjustment system, ensuring stability and reduced noise during operation, which is a significant advantage over other portable washers. Designed as a 2-in-1 compact washer, it offers full automation by allowing users to simply select the desired wash and spin programs along with the water level, requiring minimal supervision. With a clear LED display and a child lock feature, the Krib Bling washer ensures both ease of use and safety for households with children.